Good morning from the Haddock residence over here at the Motel 6. Tyler's making fun of me because I can't talk because we're both exhausted. It is like 6:36 in the morning.
Oh,
we need about 12 hours more of sleep. But we get to go to the racetrack.
15 hours worth of work.
Yeah, about 15 hours worth of work, at least.
At least.
And we get to go put a motor in the dragster.
First thing.
First thing. Yay. Wow, that was a coherent sentence.
It'll be fun this night.
So if it's not something you usually see, but this is what the chassis looks like without a motor or clutch or anything in it. Oil pump, all kinds of wires and stuff. We're gonna get it all cleaned up and nice before the new motor gets in so that our race car isn't all dirty, but yeah, not something you see every day. Okay, so I seem to have misplaced my GoPro, which is just fantastic right now. They just went up with the funny car. The second pair of dragster is running right now, so in a few minutes I'll go up, but I am working on getting the dragster finished up so that when the funny car gets back, we can go straight to work on that. This is probably a terrible camera angle, but we're stressed out about getting both cars done and good to go, so I'll see you guys up on the line in a few minutes, hopefully. Okay, I'm over here finishing buttoning up the funny car there, fixing to start the dragster right over there, and we'll start this one in a few minutes. That was a very crazy, hectic turnaround, but looks like we're gonna make it and be all good, so we'll see you in a few minutes. Okay, this car is ready as it'll ever be. Okay, so right now, neither car is in the show, and we are, yeah. Here we go, hopefully we qualify. Okay, it went up its smoke at like 300 feet, and we're gonna go back and service it, and hopefully we can get in the show with the second run today. Yeah. We're not qualified with the dragster. I am over here taking the spark plugs out of the head, and so I figured this was as good of a time as any to explain the rules of our spark plug giveaway that I mentioned the other day. So, I am going to be giving away 3 spark plugs, and what you've got to do to enter to win is make sure to like, you've got to comment that you liked the video, and that you subscribe. So, then I'll pick 3 winners from all the comments, and then I will ship the spark plugs out to whoever wins. So, go down there and comment and subscribe and all this stuff, and hopefully you'll win a spark plug from us racing this weekend. So, Mr. Cameron and I are riding around freezing our butts off because we are going to watch a master at work, his dad, pinstripe dad's helmet for him. So, it's cold. Oh, and Cameron's a professional race car driver, golf cart driver. Semi. So, well over here hanging out with Cameron, we've got these pickled eggs, you said?
Yeah, Joe Joust, Long Beach.
Okay, we've got them, and they're hanging out with some peppers, so I guess I'm trying one of the peppers. Oh, that's not bad. Okay, maybe it's a little bad. Okay, maybe it's hot. That is so cool. Bryso paint? Bryso? Bryco paint coming through on Dad's helmet. It's really, really cool. Okay, so I'm gonna be ending this video about asleep, and that is the end of our 2021 racing, or 2022 racing season with Terry Haddock Racing. And even when we have a bad day like today, where the cars didn't really run the best, the dragster was going fast on its run, but it is what it is. We're just so incredibly lucky to be out here doing this. This is something that not many people get to do. If we really sit down and think about it, it's so cool that we're out here working on the fastest cars on the planet. Like, we're all just so lucky. And even when there's bad days like this, and to be honest, this really isn't a bad day compared to Sonoma or whatever it is. We're just so lucky to be out here doing this. And Tyler's back there hanging out. We're just so lucky to do this, and even when we don't qualify, even when we don't do everything that we wish we did, it's so cool that we get to be out here doing it. So, and on that note, never give up.